everyone, so today I have a Lottie London mystery bag video. Today's video is the Vampire Diaries mystery bag, and then I do have another mystery bag that they had done. But I do want to mention, at the time I ordered this, if you spend over £25 it was, you do get a free eyeshadow palette, but you have to add this eyeshadow palette to your cart. So I did it, and this is a Vampire Diaries eyeshadow palette. It is the one that I was after as well, so very exciting. It is the Lottie the Vampire Diaries Love Sucks palette. So I had to add this to my cart for it to be free, but it was totally free because I spent over the amount. It tells you on the little pop-up banners and anyways what how to do it if it's still available. But this is the free gift I got for ordering two mystery bags that came, and it made the I went over the payment threshold. This video is the Lottie London Vampire Diaries mystery bag. So the Vampire Diaries mystery bag, I've got it here, cost so I'm all properly informing you because I've got a memory like a fish and I often say the wrong price. So this is £19.95. and it says it's a saving of 54%. It's worth £42. I will say, when you add it to your basket, so if you want it to be a surprise, do not look at your basket, because it does give you, for the Vampire Diaries one, it gives you an individual list of what you're getting. I don't know whether that list is true because I haven't looked, but this is what we got in my Vampire Diaries mystery bag, which I absolutely love Vampire Diaries, so I'm so excited about this. So the first thing what we got here is the Vampire Diaries Love Sucks. I just don't like how they call it that. I don't like that. I don't know. pH colour changing lip and cheek stain. And if you don't know, I absolutely love Vampire Diaries. I'm trying to get into it, but I can't get into it. This is in the shade Hybrid, so it looks like a black cheek stain, and basically it'll change colour by your pH. Let's have a look. Oh, it's quite a purpley tone. I don't know whether that will look very nice. We'll leave it there and we'll see what colour it goes as, you know, as it might changes. So we got that. We did get the Lottie London Super Fake Vampire Diaries False Lash Mascara. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Ooh, let's have a look. I'm going to just show you. So this is what it looks like here. And I'm going to show you the wand on here because I'm not going to open it because I want to keep it new for when I actually use it. That's quite exciting. I do love Vampire Diaries. Then we've got the Star Stamp liner. I'm going to keep this all sealed, but it is a liner, a black eyeliner, and then it's got a star stamp on the other end. This is not for me. I just don't wear eyeliner. Then we've got two products here. We've got eyeglosses. One is a shimmery glittery one and one is like a clear one, and this is what they look like here. You could probably use these on your lips as well, I would imagine. I think you could. So they're just like glosses and you can use them on your eyes as well. Then we've got another lip product. It is the Cheeky Kiss Cream Lipstick and Blush Stick. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I quite like look at the shade of this. Now, I will say everything is really hard to get into. So it's a push one like that, which is quite exciting. Right, we've pushed it up. Let's have a look. Oh, I love that. I love that. The formula looks quite nice. I really like that. That's like a sort of product that I would use. And then, last but not least, is one of the things I actually wanted from the collection, which I'm quite excited about. It is the Blood Drip Lip Tint. Now, you can get this in the a red shade as well. So this one is Witches, and look at this. I just love it. They have got a red one too. I would love the red one, but I'm quite happy with this one as well. These are one of the products I did want. It's just basically a clear lip gloss. Smells gorgeous though, and I really just wanted one of them. So I'm going to run through everything again what we got for the £19. So we did get the Blood Drip Lip Tint. We did get the Cheeky Kiss one. These are all Vampire Diaries, by the way, as well, like branded. That's a Cheeky Kids one. We did get the stamp eyeliner. We got the mascara. And then we got this lip and cheek tint. So we got one. Oh, we got these 2 clear gloss things as well. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7 products for £19. So not so bad. But I will say if you're buying like a mystery box or something like that, you normally want an eyeshadow palette. Now, eyeshadow palettes don't excite me one bit. Like, I'm just not an eyeshadow palette wearer. Like, I very rarely wear eyeshadow. I force myself to wear eyeshadow. So for me, exciting products is mascara and like this lip gloss. I am quite excited about this PH Balance cheek tint thing. Yeah, so for me, I quite liked it. But whether I think it's worth £19, I'm not so sure. But you are paying more because you're paying for the branded stuff, and I feel like they could have been a bit more Vampire Diaries-esque, you know. But I am happy that I got this free for getting over the spend. Like I say, you had to spend over a certain amount. The shades in this one, this eyeshadow palette is Saya Bond, Moonstone, Mystic Falls, Vivian, Daylight Ring and Hybrid, and that is what that looks like. And I think it was £25 or £30 to get this. But like I say, I'll have the Lottie London website linked down below and anyways, and I will be unboxing the other mystery box in another video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribed down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!